Guys, welcome back to Blossom University. Today's class, I am honoring and I'm featuring Lily Frilly, who is a 5-year-old who has her own company where she sells hair bows, book bags, dresses, and she also hosts different special events as you saw in the beginning of my video. In today's tutorial, I am bedazzling one of her hair barrettes because I'm going to present this hair barrette to her mom as a gift when I see her at a conference. So I'm super excited because I really believe in the gift of giving, and I just love to give things to phenomenal, extraordinary people. So if you want to know the color stones that I'm using, for the gold portion of this bow, I am using SS10 in the color Aurum. And again, the crystal is Swarovski. You'll see also that I use the crystal color. It's called crystal. So crystal is like diamonds. It's just a clear stone. So you want to use the color crystal, and the size is SS20, and you can use a different variety of stones, but I use stones sizes ranging from SS20 to SS10, but it's really up to you. For me, when it comes to small items, less is more. But if you like the gaudy look, it's absolutely up to what you want to do. If you would like to have me make this for you, you can request a quote. But I do encourage you to follow Lily Frilly on her Instagram. I also encourage you to purchase this bow and various different bows that she offers on her website. And like I said, she has different events and products that you can find in a city near you. So I am currently finishing up. I'm basically done. You just want to make sure that whatever you bedazzle, make sure it's very clean, ladies and gents. You don't want a messy look. So if you see me cleaning it up, it's because I believe that cleanliness is next to godliness. Make sure you keep whatever you're blinging very, very clean and clear. So I'm done at this point. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. You can find lots more tutorials on my YouTube channel, which is Blossom and Jasmine. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications. So with that being said, I'll be coming to you with one more video for another Lily Frilly bow that I blinged out. I think you guys are really going to love that one. That is by far my favorite bow. But one bow at a time, all right? Final look, as you guys can see, I'm just finishing up the bottom. And then we're pretty much done. So as always, you guys, I'll see you in my next tutorial. Again, Blossom and Jasmine and Lily Frilly. Love you lots. See you in my next video. Blossoming Jasmine.